Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Forex VKS. Today is the 12th of February 2022. So today is Saturday. We are going through the weekly analysis where we want to see what is possible for next week, what are the opportunity for next week, and what are the danger for next week we want to watch out. So before that, don't forget to support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, don't forget to support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to also follow my Twitter, twitter.com Forex VKS. Okay, so let's check out the introduction a while before we dive into the chart and the news.
Disclaimer: be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, let's check out what's going on with the calendar this week. So of course, we know that the important one is the CPI number. So we got a strong CPI numbers, which is above expectation, both core CPI and the CPI 0.6 and 0.6%. So this is very likely, to create very likely the Fed will come in, so step in with a possible interest rate hike during March. Okay, most likely the news are speculating around 0.5%. Okay, it will increase the interest rate to 0.5%. So market, of course, you can see the reaction of market, right? The USD starting to strengthen a bit and the stock market starting to fall. And 30-year bond auction also went up. And we also get these GDP numbers for this Great Britain not doing so well, below expectation, and also this University of Michigan's consumer sentiment for US also dropped. So they a bit weakness on the it will weaken the USD a bit, and both pound also will be weakened a bit. Let's see the chart. Okay, what are the damage done here? But in the long term, we are still bullish on USD based on this. Okay, so USD in the long term, they are still bullish. Let's look at next week, see what's coming into next week calendar. So what are the events, important events that we need to watch out? Okay, Monday, there's nothing much. Tuesday, we got FOMC member Bullard speak, ECB President Lagarde speaks, AUD monetary policy minutes. Okay, so Monday, there could be some volatility for the AUD. So after that, German economy sentiment, we got PPI numbers. PPI numbers is not so important in the current trend. Okay, but it gives something like a idea, right, how the market is doing. Okay, a strong PPI numbers possibly in the near future will be good for the market. So USD PPI numbers, we do want to keep track of this number, but it's not a trend changing number. It's not a trend changing kind of numbers, unless it's the changes. I mean the report numbers, right, is way out of proportion. Means it's way above or way below. Then you have to be careful a bit. Okay, so we got CPI numbers coming on Wednesday on Great Britain, so you have to be careful on this one. You need to watch out on this one. Okay, and CAD also, we got CAD CPI numbers coming out on Wednesday. So Britain pound, Great Britain pound, and CAD, you have to watch out on Wednesday. So this could be a direction change. Also retail sales, we need to watch out for USD. So Wednesday, there's quite a lot of data over here. Okay, you have to watch out this one for USD retail sales. And industrial production. This one you do need to take note, but that's not so important. Okay, so the direction change event could be this one, the CPI on Britain, the CPI on CAD, and possible core retail sales. There is some influence on this core retail sales on the US dollar. Generally, the higher the retail sales, okay, the better the is for the US dollar, right? Thursday we got FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, maybe you want to take note of this one. See what are the sentiment that they bring to the market. So Wednesday and Thursday you need to watch out. And AUD unemployment rate, this one you might need to take note. Okay, see how was development here. And US Philadelphia manufacturing index unemployment claim. Okay, this one you just take note. Okay, but these are probably not the direction change kind of event. So look at Friday. FOMC member bullet speak. FOMC member master speaks retail sales for a pound. Okay, maybe you want to take note on this one. And the retail sales on CAD, you want to take note of this one. And home sales of USD, also want to take note of this one. Okay, and we got G20 meeting for the oil. FOMC member will speak. Okay, so the big ones are okay. The big one starts from Wednesday. Okay, the big one starts from Wednesday, which is this one. The CPI numbers here and the retail sales, US retail sales. Okay, and the Thursday you may want to watch out for this one. FOMC meeting minutes. AUD employment maybe you want to take note. Okay, on these two. And on Friday you might want to watch out for this one. Retail sales for Britain and retail sales from this CAD and home sales for USD. Okay, so these are the event that is might cause some changes to the currency. Okay, so other than that, let's dive into the chart. Okay, look at USD, Euro. Okay, Euro weakening. Euro after strengthening USD, normally the Euro will be weakened. So we got a weakening USD as we said. Okay, we got this one because consolidation over here. So a clear break of each side. If we break above, we are looking to buy. Okay, we are. I mean, if we break above, Euro will be strong. If it breaks below, Euro will be weak. So now we are looking at a weak Euro. Okay, a weak Euro. Look at DXY. Okay, so DXY, as we said that day, a break above here, this consolidation, USD will be strong. A break below, USD will be weak. So now we got a strong USD. So we mark here red color. USD is strong. And let's look at pound, British pound. British pound is still sideways. Okay, British pound is still sideways. There's no direction being printed yet. Okay, so this one still neutral. Swiss franc is still neutral. Okay, Swiss franc is just consolidating over this area. There's no big direction printed out. So this one we continue to stay neutral on this one. Japanese yen. Okay, Japanese yen. We got a pin bar and a bullish engulfing. So short term Japanese yen could be stronger following the USD. Okay, so in the short term, we just put Japanese yen as a take it as strong. Canadian dollar sideways. It's just not moving. Possibly a bit weakening, so we put it at neutral. AUD. Okay, AUD we got pin bar now coming back down. So AUD is weak. Looks weak to me. And NZD, a pin bar coming down. So these two are weak. Okay, so the stronger currency going to next week will be DXY, US dollar, and Japanese yen. Okay, so when we want to trade any pair, right, against this USD or against this Japanese yen, most likely we want to buy the USD and or buy the yen. Okay, or buy the yen. Okay, let's check out the currency pair. Today I added WTI crude oil. So I want to also involve in I also want to include the crude oil because there's a lot of momentum in crude oil now possible. Okay, we want to take a look at the crude oil also. So let's check out the chart. Look at the weekly first. We do top-down analysis. Look at the 1 week. Okay, 1 week. We are looking at wow, this is still looks bullish to me. Okay, short term is bearish, but long term, okay, Euro USD still look a bit bullish because of this bullish engulfing candle, and this is possible just a retracement before the price drop even higher, goes even higher. So the long term buyers remain bullish. Okay. Let's look at the daily. Okay, daily we got a pin bar, not a pin bar, sorry, we got doji over here, then the price goes down. So as we said, after the break of this area, right, this consolidation area, if it breaks above, we want to buy. If it breaks below, we want to sell. Okay, so this one has confirmed the USD is getting stronger, something like a confirmation, so we will be looking to sell. Okay, so we will these are the area that we want to watch out. Okay, we want to look for sell opportunity. These are the areas now you want to watch out, look for sell opportunity. Okay, first one is 1.14510, a retracement towards this area. Okay, a rejection, we will look for sell, or the price breakthrough 1.13456, a rejection at this area, breakthrough, a rejection, and we want to look for sell opportunity. Okay, so our direction now for Euro USD sell, look for pound USD. This is short term, well, long term we are still quite bullish. Okay, long term this one is still neutral. I can't see any direction coming from here. I can't see any strong direction. So this one is still neutral. In short term, still neutral. So this one we got pin bar over here. Okay, then we got doji. So this one still no direction. The best for this one, the best thing I want to do with this one, right? I will wait for break. Break above, I look for buy. Break below, I look for sell. Okay, now this is sideways. This is totally sideways, right? So no opportunity here. No opportunity here. Possible Euro USD. Okay, there is opportunity to trade. USD JPY. So JPY, we have printed bearish engulfing. So JPY is even stronger. Looks like in the short term, JPY is even stronger than USD. Look at the weekly. Yeah, you see, right? We got a weekly, we got a pin bar over here. Okay, this is a bearish pin bar. Okay, we got a bearish pin bar printed over here. So this one direction has changed. So long term, weekly we are looking at a bearish. So let's look at daily. Yeah, look at the daily. Okay. Okay, we got bearish engulfing candle. Okay, but this trend is still an uptrend. Okay, this trend is still uptrend, even though we got a weekly possible bearish, right? A weekly bearish. So we are still looking to buy this. Okay, this weekly momentum might take the price come back to this area, 114 or 113. Okay, so we are still going to buy at this area. Okay, so wait for a pullback. We are not selling this bearish engulfing because it's counter trend. Okay, our idea is to follow the trend. This is an uptrend. So our idea is follow the trend. Okay, so we will look for buy opportunity at this area. If the price do retrace to this area, 114.735 or 113.581, we want to look for buy opportunity over here. Okay, USD JPY, then USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, let's take a quick look at the weekly. Wow, this is just okay. It still looks bullish to me. Okay, it still looks bullish for weekly. It still looks bullish. Okay, bullish engulfing. There's some retracement over here, but in the long term, it still looks bullish to me. USD station. Okay, so USD is still strong, but we got a pin bar over here. So this is just two sideways. Okay, this is just two sideways for me to trade. So I'm not trading this. USDcad. Look at the weekly. Okay, weekly they're still bullish. Looks bullish after this bullish pin bar. After the bullish candle, there's two bullish pin bar over here. Short term, long term, it still looks bullish. Weekly, it still looks bullish. But daily is just consolidation here, consolidating in a sideways price action. So I'm not trading this until it goes through the sideways price action or breaks below 1.26413 or break above 1.227. Sorry, 1.27706. Then we'll look for buy opportunity. Now this is a sideways price action. We are not interested in a sideways price action. Look at AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, we got a bearish here, bearish candle here. It's stuck at 0.69987. It can't get through. Okay, but we still continue to retrace a bit with two tail bar over here. So the long-term trend still looks bearish to me. Okay, the long-term trend still looks bearish to me. Let's zoom out, look at the daily. Okay, so daily, as I said, there's an opportunity to sell over here. I don't know why the marking wasn't there. Okay, there should be a marking over here. So there is a sell opportunity towards 0.709. Let me see. This one need to go down a bit. Okay, 0.70826. Okay, so there is this pin bar, right? There is a sell opportunity from this pin bar towards 0.70826. Probably even to 0.69987. Okay, so there is a trade over here. I highlighted here on Friday. There's a trade over here, and there's a trade over here. Let's look at weekly first. Okay, weekly, we got a bearish formation over here. Then we got two tail bar continue, two tail bar, bearish tail bar. So this one weekly is still bearish. Okay, weekly is still bearish. So okay, as I said, this one there is also sell opportunity over here. I also didn't tag it. Okay, sell opportunity on this pin bar towards this area, 0.65998 or even possible 0.65372. Okay, so there is a sell opportunity for this one in New Zealand dollar USD. You already opened the trade, continue to hold it towards the target area. Look at the crosses. Euro AUD. So euro is very weak. You see a bearish engulfing candle came back here. So this is a false break. So looks like euro is really getting weak. Okay, really getting extremely weak. So this one direction change for euro. Look at the trend now. So this is uptrend. This is a false break. Looks like price is coming down. So possibly we're still looking to buy this. Okay, even the long term is going, it's bearish, but we want to buy this after retracement because you see, right? This is a downtrend. Now price is a bit sideways, creating a triangle. If this one a false break, right, most likely the price will break the other way around. So this one you have to wait and see. Okay, I'm not keen to trade this. After a break of a false break of this triangle, maybe the price is coming down. So there is a possible buy trade. If you want to buy, okay, possible buy trade around here, 1.57386. Or you wait for a break below, then you start to sell. Okay, so this one you have to wait for a while because it's because we see a false break over here, right? And the triangle is the price is squeezing the triangle smaller and smaller. So it's at the peak of the triangle over here. So it can actually break either way. So this is quite a bit risky to trade now. Okay, this is a bit risky to trade. I will not trade this for now. Possible, I'll wait for the price to come to this area. Okay, 1.57386, rebound buy, a break below, we want to look for sell. EuroCAD. Look at the weekly. Okay, EuroCAD weekly still looks bullish. We got a bullish candle here, big bullish candle. There's some retracement over here. So in the long term, I would say it's still in the weekly perspective, yeah, still look bullish to me. Okay, so we got a break above. Let me see. Where's the bias? Okay, so the bias line should be around here, 1.43773. Okay, so above we want to buy, below we want to sell. Okay, so once the price come back to this area, 1.43773, a bullish price action we want to buy. If it breaks through, we want to look for bearish price action to sell. Euro Swiss franc. Okay, Euro Swiss franc. Look at the weekly first. Okay, weekly, there is some retracement over here. Long term weekly still look bullish to me. Okay, still look bullish. We got a big candle, big bullish candle. So price is starting to retrace. So long weekly we still looks bullish. Okay. Let me see the daily. Daily we got a change of trend. Okay, price has turned from bearish to bullish. Okay, in a daily. So therefore, that's why we are not trading this pin bar downwards, because our now buyers is buying. So we want to look for buy trade. Okay, possible at these two areas now. 1.05185 or 1.04526. We want to look for buy opportunity over here. Okay, this area. Euro JPY. So Euro is getting very weak. Suddenly Euro is getting very weak. But in the long term, there's still a bullish trend. Okay, long term there's still a bullish trend. In the short term, possible. Okay, it's dropping. The Euro JPY is dropping, but we are still looking to buy this because, okay, this is an uptrend. This is the idea. Okay, the trading idea for this Euro JPY is still an uptrend. So we are still looking to buy. Okay, look for opportunity to buy. Now the price broke through 1316.62. Possible you want to look for 130.439. Okay, any bullish price action, we will look to buy this. This one bigly is bullish. Okay, bigly is bullish. So we are still looking to buy this. Euro pound. Euro pound, look at the weekly. Okay, the weekly we got a big bullish candle. This one come up with a bearish candle. So this one, I can't see a very strong direction over here. I can't see a good direction over here. Okay, possibly weekly we put it neutral first. So in the daily we saw a strong rejection, at this buyer's line. Okay, so for the daily we might want to sell this. Okay, we'll be looking for sell opportunity here. Retest, if the price come back to retest 0.84290, possible sell opportunity, or the price goes a bit lower, comes back and retest 0.83785, we want to look for sell opportunity. Pound JPY. Okay, remember this week, right? We back a few trade there, USD JPY and Pound JPY. Okay, we back to trade, buying these two pair. So now, right, let me see. We got doji over here, right? So so weekly it still looks slightly bullish to me. Okay, weekly it looks slightly bullish to me. But we have a winning trade here. Okay, we got a winning trade over here. we bought this formation, right? A break of this formation. We bought this formation towards a target. Now the price is at okay, have to be careful. What you can see now, right? Price is at a sideways price action and sideways pattern, and price got rejected at the top of the sideways pattern, right? Rejection. So there's rejection. So probably the price will want to reverse down. Okay, so this one, right? 154.190 is our buyer's line. As long as price is above, we want to look for buy. So if the price comes back to this area, 154.190, a bullish price action, we want to buy. If it drop below, we want to sell. Okay, drop below here, 154.190, we want to sell. Okay, or there is a possible, we want to pick the top, which rarely we do so, but in the sideways price action, we might want to pick the top. If we get a very strong bearish candle over here, bearish formation over here, we might want to sell. Okay, we might want to sell towards 154.190. Okay, so this one, watch out. Pound CHF. Look at the weekly. The weekly, no direction. We got dodgy over here. Okay, so there is not very strong weekly direction over here. So let's take out the daily. Okay, daily also we don't have any direction over here. Consolidation. Price will move up, and then we get a lot of tail at the top. So this is not a situation that we want to trade. Okay, this one, I'm not keen to trade this. AUD JPY. Okay, AUD JPY, we got a we put here, right? We got a sell trade over here. Possible sell trade. Look at the weekly. Okay, weekly, we got a bearish pin bar over here, bearish tail bar. So weekly, it looks like a bearish to me. Look at the daily. Okay, so there is a possible sell opportunity here. Okay, I highlighted last week. I highlighted on Friday a sell sign, a sell signal over here towards 81.760. First target, possible second target, 80.459. But look at the first target first. Look for this target first, 81.760. Okay, there is a possible sell trade over here. This one, usdcad, also possible sell trade over here. We got this one, we got bearish tail bar here. So this one, for me, we are still quite neutral. Okay, quite neutral. I put it neutral because we don't have a very strong signal. So this one, we got bearish tail bar. As I said, if the price breaks through this tail bar, possible there's sell opportunity, but this one is not as good as the other. This setup, right, is not as good as AUD JPY, Euro, NZD USD, and AUD USD. So this is a bit weaker, this setup. Okay, but possible you still can try this, but this setup is a bit weaker. So what you want to do is once the price breaks through, okay, the nose over here, the nose of this pin bar over here, so there is possible a sell trade towards 0.90253. AUD and NZD, I'm not trading this. This is just a bit sideways over here. A lot of indecision. Okay, buyer stronger, seller stronger. Okay, those there is a lot of what do you call it? Conflicting signal. Okay, so we are not trading this. Okay, let's look at gold. So AUD and NZD, we just take a quick look at the weekly. Okay, weekly is still slightly bullish, and you see a lot of tail at the top, right? That's why a lot of rejection also. So we are not very keen to do this, to trade this. Look at gold. Gold finally broke up. Okay, so gold is bullish for now. Okay, gold finally we can trade gold. I can trade gold. Gold look bullish, so we are looking to buy gold now. Okay, these two area, watch out for these two area. A retracement towards 1848, possible rebound opportunity to buy, or a retracement towards 1828 and 1848. Sorry, 1848 and 1828, opportunity to buy. Crude oil. Okay, now we got a crude oil chart. Let's take a look at weekly. Wow, crude oil just on a tear. This is just crazy. Okay, crude oil is just on a tear. So continue to go up. So any rejection, any retracement, we want to possible look for sell. Okay, so weekly sorry, we'll look for buy. So weekly is uptrend. Okay, any retracement towards these two area. Okay, retracement towards 89.02 or 84.74, we want to look for buy opportunity. Okay, look at the index. Look at the weekly. Look at the SPI. SPI, we got a slightly bullish, then we got a bearish tail bar here. So this one is neutral. I can't see any strong direction here, right? You can see, right? Bullish pin bar, bearish pin bar, right? Bullish tail bar, bearish tail bar. So this is a conflict of signal. Okay, conflict of signal. So this one, let me see. Okay, in the weekly, we can't see any direction, but in the daily, yes. Okay, daily, we are looking to sell. So we got a pin, we got something like a small tail bar over here, but this is not a very good signal to sell. Yes, this is a good signal to sell, right? Do you recognize this? Do you recognize this formation? Dark cloud cover, right? Dark cloud cover. Okay, so we got a dark cloud cover over here. So probably, okay, there is a selling opportunity from 7229 to 7108. Okay, we got dark cloud cover over here, so there is a possible sell trade over here. So possible sell trade. I already highlighted here, right? A possible sell trade over here on Friday. DAX. DAX, we also get a dark cloud cover, right? We also get a dark cloud cover. So there is a possible sell trade over here also. But DAX, I'm not selling. Why? Because we are selling towards this very strong resistance. You shall not pass. Okay? Remember, a long time I never take out our friend here. You shall not pass, right? So these are the area, okay, where Gandalf tell the monster, you shall not pass. Okay, so we try to go through many times, we cannot pass, so we are not selling to here. Okay, this one I have to wait and see. Nasdaq, let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is bearish. Okay, we got pin bar here, and then we got another tail bar coming down. So Nasdaq direction is bearish. Okay, we got bearish engulfing. Continue with this one. Okay, continue with continue down run. So we got a trade over here. This one also, there's a sell trade over here. Okay, there's a sell trade over here. This one also, we got a sell trade over here. So this one, okay, as I said, this bearish engulfing candle, you can sell towards a 1.4382. Okay, so the price already hit the target. So we might want to look for a second target. If the price retrace to this area, 14, sorry, not 1.8, sorry, not 1.14, 1.4382 is 14382.62, right? So the next target will be here. The next target will be 14060.7. Okay, so if you're holding it, continue to hold. If you haven't buy in, okay, you haven't opened any trade, there is opportunity to trade if there is a pullback. Okay, a pullback towards 14382, or a pullback towards 14843 for sell opportunity here. Look at Dow Jones. Okay, look at the weekly. We got one pin bar, we got two tail bar here. Okay, there is some conflict of signal over here, but because of this two tail bar, I will highlight it a bit bullish, a bit bearish here. Look a bit bearish, right? Okay, so this one we got bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so there is a possible sell trade towards 34791, but we're not selling this because as I said, we are still in a uptrend channel, so we are not selling this. So this one, we wait for buy opportunity around here, around 34791. Okay, a rebound at this area possible, we want to buy, but this is not a very good trade that I will take because weekly is quite bearish. So this one, I'm not very keen to take on the Dow Jones these few days. Okay, S&P. S&P, we got bearish engulfing here, and both also is a bearish tail bar. So so we got a short term looks, long term weekly looks bearish to me. Okay, so this one possible. Okay, the price breakout, it did a double top here. Okay, double top. So if you can't see the double top here, look at the 4 hours. Right, you can see a double top now. Right. So any retracement, any pullback. Okay, so a pullback to these two areas, we will look for sell. Okay, so a pullback toward this area, 4484. Okay, we will look for 4484, and rejection, we will look for sell towards this area. 4422, and even lower. Four three two three. Okay, towards this target. Okay, so that's it. That is my forex analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are new here. Every day we got video. We have video every day at 11, around 10 to 11 a.m. I'll publish my video, daily analysis. Sometime Monday I don't publish, because Monday it's exactly the analysis is exactly the same with Saturday. Okay, so sometime Monday I don't publish, but if I see something good, I will publish on Monday. So this is 11 o'clock a.m. Around 11 a.m., 10 to 11 a.m. Okay, 10 to 11 a.m. Okay, Singapore time. Okay, Singapore time. Okay, Singapore time is GMT plus 8, right? Yeah, GMT plus 8. Okay, so I'll see you again on Monday. Okay, happy weekend. Have a wonderful rest. Have a wonderful day. See you on Monday. Bye bye.